Hello students, now today we will solve some questions related to chapter number 2 large numbers from exercise 2a. Now the first question of this exercise is write the numeral for each of the following numbers. So here the word form of the number is given here like 3 crore 1 lakh 75,020, and here we write the numeral of this numbers. So now here first we write the place values ones to crore. So here we write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here we write these number according to their places. Like 3 crore. So 3 in a crore place. So here we write 3 here. 1 lakh. So here we write 1 in a lakh place. So if we write 1 here. Now 75,000. So 7 in a 10,000 place and 5 in a 1,000 place. So here we write 7 and here 5. Now 20. So here we write 2 in a tens place. Fill with zeros. So here the numeral value of this word form is 30175,020. And students, you all know that we write the numeral in Indian number system and international number system in standard form of these numbers. So here we write this numeral according to Indian number system. So here we separate the different places here. Like ones place we separate by using comma 1 2 3 from thousand place. Now thousand and lakh place separate by the comma and lakh place separate by the comma with crore. So here we put comma before three numbers and the pair of two numbers here. So here we read this number as 3 crore 1 lakh 75,020. Now here we solve the second question, and the second part of this question 27 crore 217. So here we write the place value chart. So here we write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So here we start from this place. So 27 crore. So here the number is 27. So 2 in a 10 crore place and 7 in a crore place. So here we write 2 and 7 here. Now 217. So here 2 in a 100 place. So here we write 2, 217. So 2 in a 100 place and 17 in a 1 in a tens place and 7 in a ones place. And the other blank space fill with 0 here. Now we write this number as 27000217. Now here we again use Indian number system and separate the periods. Like ones period separate by this comma, then thousand period, then lakh period and crore. So here we use comma before three digits and pair of two digits. So here we read out this number as 27 crore 217. So dear students, here I solve exercise 2a, the first question here. Write the numeral for each of the following numbers. So here I solve only two parts of the question number first. So you also solve the other part of this question in your fair notebook. Now here we solve the question number 2. And the question number 2 is write the following numbers in word form. Now here we solve A part. 5 comma 57 20318. Now the B part. 70 comma 02 86 comma 590. So here we write the following numbers in word form. Here we also use the place values. So here we write the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 5 in a crore place. So here we write 5 crore. 5 in a 10 lakh place and 7. So here we read this lakh place and the lakh period in the same time like 57. So here we write 57,000, 20,000, 318. 5 crore 57 lakh 20,318. Now the second number B. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here we write the number in a word form. So here we write first crore place. So here we write 70 crore. Two in a lakh place, so 2 lakh. We write thousand place in the same time, 86. 86,000. 5 in a hundred place, so here we write 590. Now here we solve one more part of this question. 58 comma 00 comma 26 comma 007. Now here we write first places of these numbers: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here we read out the first crore period, 58 crore. So here we write 58 crore 26,000 7. So 58 crore 26,007 here. So the word form of this number 58 crore 26,007. Now here the next question is, write the following numerals in the standard form and expanded form according to the Indian system of numeration. So here first we find the numeral. So here this is the picture of abacus. There are two abacus, A part and a B part. So here in the first stick in a ones place, here we count the total bits. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 bits. So here we write 8 in a ones place. Now here tens place there are no bits, so here we put 0 here. Now in 100 place 1 2 3 4 5, there are total 5 bits here. Now in 1000 place here we fill 0 here. In a 10,000 place here we fill 0. In a lakh place here we fill 1 here. In a 10 lakh place here we fill 0 here, and in a crore place here we fill 2. And here we put comma here before 100 place, and a separate ones and a 1000 place. Now again here we put comma here, separate a 1000 place. Now here we put comma here, separate lakh and crore place. So here the number is 2 crore 1 lakh 508. Okay student. Now the second part of this question, here in a ones place there is no bits, so here we fill 0 here. In a tens place 1 2 3, here 3. In a 100 place 1 2 3 4, 4 is here. In a 1000 place 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 here. In a 10,000 place 0, lakh place 1, 10 lakh place 2, and a crore place 1 2 3 4, 4 here. Now we put commas and separate different periods. Now we separate a ones period, separate 1000 period, and separate lakh period. So here we get 4 crore 21 lakh 6430. Now dear students, here we also write this numeral in expanded form. Here the first numeral is 2,0100,508. So here we write the expanded form. So first we write places of these numbers: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So here 2 in a crore place, so here 2 multiply by crore. So here we put total 7. Now 10 lakh place 0, so here we put 0 here. Now lakh place 1, so 1 multiply by 1 lakh, plus 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, 1000 place 0, and in a 100 place 5, so 5 multiply by 100, then tens place 0, then 8 in a ones place, so here 8 multiply by 1. So this is the expanded form of the number. Now the B part, 4 crore 21 lakh 6430. So here we write the expanded form of this number. So here we first we write the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 4 in a crore place, so here 4 multiply by 1 crore. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we put 7 zeros and 4 multiply by 1 crore. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 2 in a 10 lakh place, so here 2 multiply by 10 lakh. Now 1 in a lakh place, so here 1 multiply by 1 lakh. Now 10,000 0. Now 6 in a 1000 place, so here 6 multiply by 1000. 4 in a 100 place, so 4 multiply by 100, and 3 in a tens place, so here 3 multiply by 10, and here ones place 0, so here we put 0 here. Now students, here we solve the question number 4. Arun's startup company is doing well, and in the first year itself it has made a turnover worth rupees 8 crore 32 lakh 6,000. So here we write the numeral for this amount. Here we write this word form in numeral form. So here first we write the word form of this number. 8 crore 32 lakh 6,000. Indian numeral system. So here we write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 in a crore place, so here we write 8 here. 32 lakh means 3 in a 10 lakh place and 2 in a lakh place. 6,000, 6 in a thousand place, and the other blank spaces fill with 0. And here we get 83206000, and here we write this numeral in Indian number system and standard form of the number. So here we separate the different periods, like here one's period separate from thousand, thousand period separate from lakh, and lakh period separate from crore by using comma. So here we put comma here before 3 digit and 2 digits here. So here we get 8 crore 32 lakh 6,000. Now here the question number 7. Write the numbers for the following expanded form. So here first we write the places in Indian number system. So here we write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. Now we start from the first number, like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 in a crore place. So here we write 3 in a crore place. Now ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 4 in a 10 lakh place. So in the place of 10 lakh, here we fill 4 here, and here we write 4 here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 2 in a 10,000 place. 8 in a thousand place, and 9 in a tens place, and 4 in a ones place, and other blank space fill with 0 here. So here we write this numeral in standard form. So here we separate different periods by using comma. So here we use comma here, comma here, comma here, and separate all the periods. So here we read this number as 3 crore 40 lakh 28,094. Now the second part of this question, 90 comma 00 comma 00 comma 000 here. The next number 3 comma 00 comma 000. Now 90 comma 000 here. Now 600 plus 7. Now we write this number and this expanded form in numeral form. So here first we write the places ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. So here first we start from the first number, like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So in the place of 10 crore, here we fill 9 here. Here we write 9. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. In a lakh place, here we write 3 here. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. In 10,000 place, here we fill, and here we write 9 here. 6 in a 100 place, and 7 in a ones place, and the other space fill with 0. And we write this numeral in standard form. So here we separate all the periods by using comma. So here we put comma here and separate the other periods. So here we fill 90 comma 03 comma 90 comma 607. Here we read out this number as 90 crore 3,90,607. So dear students, there are some other parts are left from question 1 to 7. So you will solve this all other part by yourself in your fair notebook. Thank you, students.